In this week's episode, bake lemon and herb chicken. Ingredients: prep your chicken and divide into 4. Add Nando's paprika and lime seasoning. To a bowl, add Nando's peri-peri sauce, white wine vinegar, peri-peri lemon and herb marinade, Worcestershire sauce, some ground ginger, aromat seasoning or salt. Add the zest of 2 lemons and the juice of half a lemon. Allow the chicken to marinate in 2/3 of the marinade for at least 4 to 6 hours. Over high heat, pan fry the chicken for about a minute on both sides. Transfer the chicken to a lined baking tray, adding garlic granules at this stage because I forgot. Brush the remaining marinade over the chicken. I added some seasoned flour to the chicken. The link to how I made it is in the info card and description below. Baste the chicken with the oil from the pan. Then bake the chicken in a preheated oven set to 200 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Check on it every 15 minutes and brush it with the marinade. And that's it. Enjoy this simple and delicious lemon and herb baked chicken. The addition of seasoned flour definitely keeps the chicken juicy and flavorful. Thank you so much for the support. It means so much. Love you all, and God bless.